Hey, welcome back to my shop, everybody. Today I just want to do a quick video and talk about 4 Milwaukee cordless tools that I consider indispensable now that I have them. So the first one is this M12 detail sander. This thing is awesome. I bought this last year. I was doing an exterior painting project on our house. There were a lot of windows that needed to be sanded. They were in poor condition. So I needed something I could be up on a ladder with or on a scaffold. This thing is great. It's got great performance. It's got 4 speed settings. It really is super fast. It's got the hook and loop attachment for sandpaper. It came with this carrying case and a charger and a place you can store the various sanding pads. So, but this thing was great. It seemed to have good battery life. I had 2 batteries and I could easily keep up with the 2. But I really consider this indispensable and I would highly recommend purchasing one of these. The next item is this cordless Milwaukee vac. This is great for quick cleanup on various jobs. I just used it a couple weeks ago. I installed a new door for a client. And I needed something that was portable and not, but I've never had a cordless vac before I got this. This is the M18. It does take a fairly decent sized battery. It's got the 8 ampere-hour battery. But so this is compatible with the Milwaukee pack-out system. And inside it's got the battery slips into this, snaps into that compartment, and then it's got the different tools, different types of attachments. That all fits neatly inside. And then the hose stores nicely on the unit, and it's got a high and low speed. So yeah, this definitely works great. It's very convenient. I really don't have any of the other pack-out accessories. I'm still kind of considering which direction to go. Right now I've kind of got a lot of the Walt tool carriers, but ultimately I may go with the pack-out. The next item I got is this Milwaukee M12 die grinder. This thing, very similar to the detail sander, has a ton of power. I bought it because this house that I'm working in, it's got a lot of old radiators with a lot of peeling paint. I needed something that I could get into tight spaces. This thing, super high performance. It's got a lot of speed. I forget how many RPMs it runs at, but it's got 3 speeds. This worked great for blasting loose paint and rust off the radiators. I will say it does chew through batteries. I know they have a larger output M12 battery that I probably need to ultimately get if I'm going to be using this a lot. So I highly recommend this tool if you have a use for it. The last tool that I'm going to talk about is the M12 mini inflator, or compact inflator they call it. This thing is awesome. Basically you can just turn it on. You can set the pressure to what you want to inflate to. It's got the hose which stores in the back. It's even got the needle for inflating sports balls like basketballs, etc. And it's got a couple other accessories which I haven't used yet. But this just threads onto the Schrader valve. You set it at the pressure that you want and hit, and it'll automatically stop when it hits the correct inflation. So that's a quick video today on 4 cordless tools that I purchased, and I really am very happy that I did.